बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वलाक़िबातुल मुत्तक़ीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिही व अला आलिही व अस्हाबिही अजमाइन अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम इन्ना हाज़ल कुरान यहदी लिल्लाति हिया अक़वाम। Respected chairperson, parents and my dear brothers and sisters, welcome all of you in the Islamic greeting of Salam. Assalamu alaikum. May peace, mercy and blessing of Allah all of you. The topic of my talk is Heart is Quran. The Holy Quran is the sacred book of Muslims. The word Quran means reading. It is a book not written by human being. It was sent for man guidance by Allah Almighty through our last prophet, peace be upon him. Hazrat Jibril was used to carrying the message of God. It is the book widely read in the world. I started my talk with the words in the glorious Quran, Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 9. Inna hajal Qurana yahdi lillati hiya aqwam. Indeed, verily this Quran guides humanity to that which is best in permission, best in manner, best in result and best in path. The Holy Quran is divided into 30 paras and 140 surahs. Each surah contains a different number of verses. Out of 140 surahs, 86 were revealed at Makkah and 28 at Medina. The opening chapter of the book is regarded with special reverence by the Muslims. It is called Surah Fatiha. It contains 7 verses. We recite it in our prayers. May Allah make us from those who not only recite the Quran by the tongue with wall, but also implement by the limbs. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.